Hey guys, welcome to Peace Reviews. Today we're looking at the Redmi 8 that I got off AliExpress about a week ago or so. This is the cheaper version that was available. This is the 32 gig ROM and 3 gigabytes of RAM with the Snapdragon 439, I think. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So it looks like we got the phone here, but we have a box here. Let's see what's inside the box. We got a SIM eject tool, and it looks like there's a case inside here. Let's see what kind of case it came with. I'm kind of hoping it's a clear case, but no, it's a black. It's a black translucent case. But let's see, we got some instruction books here. What the phone has, a couple different languages. This is the international version as well of the phone, so there's a warranty card as well with it. Let's see the case that it came with here. Standard gel case, nothing amazing. Looks like it's got the cover for the USB-C slot, which is kind of nice. And it's got the buttons on the side. They aren't cut, but they kind of maybe will be tactile for some sort. Let's see here, let's look at the phone here. So I got the black version as it was cheaper. So this had the 5000 mAh battery, 6.22 inch HD plus display, 12 megapixel dual camera, and the 439 Snapdragon. So on the bottom here we got the headphone jack, USB-C, microphone, and the speaker. Then on this side we got the volume rocker, power button combo, pretty much standard on all these phones. Got the IR blaster on the top here with a microphone, and the SIM, and this has the micro SD along with the 2 nano SIMs that you can have all at the same time, which is kind of nice. And then we got the dual cameras here, flash, and it's got the fingerprint reader. It's got the Redmi written on the side of it. The body's kind of cheap plastic. Looks like there's a bezel around the screen that kind of sticks out from the body. It's kind of hard to see, but doesn't make the phone. I wish it could have kind of had some sort of metal ring around it, or would have made the phone a little bit nicer, but hey, it's still $100 bucks with USB-C, which is kind of nice. So let's see what else is in the box here. Then we got the European charger, and this is a looks like it's not a quick charger, it's just 5 volts 2 amps charger, regular USB, and the USB-C cord. Let's see if there's anything else inside the box here. Maybe some headphones, or nope, nothing in there. No, I think that's it inside the box. Those don't come out, so maybe it looks like there may be an option of something being here, but not in here. So that's it. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, please hit the like, subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks guys.